This video is about significant figures. The instruction is to determine the number of significant figures. So question 1, how many significant figures are in the number 1000? Very common mistake is to say 4. In fact, the solution is only 1 because the zeros after the 1 do not count, so they are not significant. Only the 1 is significant. So for question number 1, the answer is 1. Question number 2, how many significant figures are in the number 1000 decimal point? The answer is 4. Because all of the numbers that go before the decimal point are significant. So the 1, 0, 0, 0, each one is significant. Question 3, how many significant figures are in the number 1000.00? The answer is 6. Because if you have a decimal point and any numbers after that decimal point, it's significant, as long as there's a number before the decimal point. So we have 1000.00, each number is significant. Now for number 3, if you only had the number .00, you would only have 2 significant figures, which is a .00. But since we have 1000.00, it's 6 significant figures. Question 4, how many significant figures are in 1020? It's 3. It's 102. The last 0 is not significant. Question 5, how many significant figures are in the number 1020 decimal point? It's 4, because everything before the decimal point is significant. Question 6 is very similar to question 3. All the numbers are significant. Question 7 is similar to question 6. All the numbers are significant. Question 8 is similar to question 1. Only the 1 and the 2 are significant. The 3 zeros are not. Question 9 is similar to question 2. All the numbers are significant before the decimal point. You see the difference between question 8 and 9. In question 8, there was no decimal point. In question 9, there is a decimal point. Question 10, it's very similar to question 3. Question 11 is also very similar to question 3. All the numbers are significant. Question 12, there's only one significant figure because all the zeros before the 2 are not significant. Compare question number 12 to question number 2. In question number 2, you had a number before the decimal point. In question 12, you have a number after the decimal point. So question 12 is a number less than 1. That's why it has only one significant figure. Question 13, there are 3 significant figures. It's a 200 at the end. Question 14, you also have 3 significant figures. It's a 205 at the end. Question 15, you have 5 significant figures. It's a 20500 at the end. Question 16, you have 4 significant figures. It's a 2200 at the end. Question 17, you have 4 significant figures. It's a 2002 at the end. Question 18, all numbers are significant. Question 19, only 405 are significant. Remember, question number 19, if there was a decimal point, you would have 5 significant figures. Question 20, all the numbers are significant. Question 21, the 20 at the end are significant. Question 22, 205 are significant. For question 23, it's very similar to question 12. Since the number is less than 1, all of the zeros before the decimal point are not significant. Only the 2 is significant. For question 24, we have 3 significant figures. the number is less than 1. So all the zeros before the decimal point are not significant. Question 25, we got 3 significant figures. Question 26, we have 2 significant figures. Because for 26, if we just wrote 8, we would have 1 significant figure. If you wrote 8 decimal point, 1 significant figure. We have 8 decimal point 0, so we have 2 significant figures. Question 27, we have 4 significant figures. Question 28, 4. Question 29, 8, because we have a decimal point. Look at the difference between question 28 and 29. And look at the difference between question 30 and 31. In question 31, we put that decimal point. So everything before the decimal point is significant. Question 32, we got 2 significant figures. Question 33, we got 2. You could pause the video and see what I did with questions 34 to 40. And you could also pause the video and see what I did with questions 41 to 60. Question 58 might be a bit tricky because the zeros before the 8 are not significant. That number is less than 1. So since it's less than 1, only the numbers that are non-zero and after that non-zero number are significant. So 8, 6, 7 are the 3 significant figures. 59, all of the numbers including the 8 and after the 8 are significant. And for 60, since it's less than 1, the 2 and all the numbers after that are significant.